Hey everybody, this is Teresa, Mountain Air Farms. We're over here at the job site. We're actually not doing the stone today. We had to do some weed and feed because it is a beautiful spring day and all the weeds are coming up, so we got to protect them, the grass. But I was going to show you how far they've gotten. We're going to be bringing in scaffolding on Monday or Tuesday. But this is as far as they've got. They still got to take that old part down. But they've got almost to the top of the window right there, and then midway in the middle and half on the other side. And this stone is really turning out beautiful. He's going to decide on what color he's going to rechange the color of his house. And he's trying to decide on that. I personally think it would look good with maybe a deep Williamsburg blue and maybe tan trim. You never know. Don't know what he's going to decide. But last week they had to take a week off due to weather. So this was one whole week that they got this up. And really, it's a good idea to wait a little bit in between, let these stones set, because as you go up, it gets heavier. You don't want any problems. And we got a little kitty coming our way. But this stone is so pretty. And when you see these little pockets, like for example right here, this little pocket and that little pocket there, what they're doing, because maybe that big stone they wanted there but they didn't find the other stones that fit right, then they're going to go back and piece in another stone. They may have to chisel it or cut it out, but that's what they're doing there. And most all the concrete is towards the back. So this is more like a stacked stone, not laid stone. Anyway, this is gorgeous. I really want this on our house, but Randy said no. Maybe I may be able to talk him into it. Who knows? But it is turning out great. Now I'm going to turn you around because this is his front yard and all these beautiful, beautiful Bradford pears. This week they just popped out. And although if you got sinuses, and who doesn't have sinus problems in East Tennessee, but these are beautiful. So as you drive down the driveway, all these beautiful big old white Bradford pears are just popping out everywhere. Just a lot of pretty scenery around here. Well, I'm going to close for now, and I'll put some more pictures, and then we're going to continue this as he gets more in this next week, so you'll be able to see the progression of where it's been from here. As always, remember, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.